Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I'm CB certified research analyst. I'm welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel, get more update on intraday and positional trading. So this video, I'm going to show you the candlesticks pattern. That is what double candlesticks reversal pattern. So where we are going to find out such a great opportunity in intraday and positional using the candlesticks pattern is nothing but Harami candle. I think we have made a video about Harami candle previously, but we are in this video I'll show you how to create a code and how we can effectively apply that candlesticks pattern, right? So before that, what is Harami? So we have to know, right? So Harami candles. So what is that Harami candlesticks? So let's show you that is what exactly the Harami where we are seeing that first day should be a big red candle and the next day should be inside between. So it just looks like a inside candle, right? But the first day should be the negative, and if it is forms at a bottom, so the next day should be the bullish candle which is inside the body of previous day. So we normally go to take a trade opportunity at that first candle high and low, or these two candles setups high and low. And same like that bearish Harami which forms at a day high or a monthly high. So that is giving you such a great kind of reversal opportunity where it is forms big green candle followed by a red candle which inside between the previous day candle's real body. So this is what the candlesticks pattern is Harami, where this is what bullish Harami and this one for a bearish Harami. So this we are going to create on our charting to find out what kind of stocks, and there is a confusion between where to enter in the Harami candle. Let's say here it's showing you entry at the next candle itself. So for that aggressive trader can take entry by next candle itself, and the conservative trader, so you can take the entry over the above of the first candle or the setup high. So there is a and the stop loss should be both the stop loss should be the lowest low of these two candlestick pattern, right? So here it's showing a entry, but we prefer mostly the setup high, so that will give you such a great kind of return. So that is why I'm going to focus, and you see, check that here showing it clearly the stop loss below the low, and there is a upside reversal and there is a downside that I'm going to create on my charting. So let's go to that, and I have already created that. So what simply it is, the latest close is greater than the latest open. So here I'm going to take the bullish Harami and I'm going to add some other point in it, so that will give you what we are going to do it, right? So now the latest close is greater than the latest open. It is looks green candle, and the latest low is greater than 1 day ago close. The latest high is less than 1 day ago open. Simply it will find out those stocks which forms a Harami. Like let's check the Canara Bank which forms today, and we will see that yeah, this is today's low and high. So this inside the body of previous day candle, it looks like a great Harami candle, right? But when the Harami candle forms, many Harami candles can we find if the market wasn't range bound. So to avoid that kind of range bound market where we are going to filter out where that setup which forms at the day low or even a day high. So that is what are even a monthly high or monthly low. So that is what very important. So to do that, so we will go for the low of 1 day ago because the previous candle should be the very low. So that equals to the low of monthly. So that will give you such a great kind of lowest level Harami candle where it is forms. So if you check filter out this filter, today Canara Bank is not in there. But yesterday we find out that is 24th August, SAIL, Bharat Forge, Jindal, Ultratech where forms the kind of Harami candles, right? So let's take SAIL, how it forms. Now SAIL where there is a Harami candle. Can you able to see that? This is the exact Harami candle which forms at the bottom. So there is a reversal is possible whenever market breaches this high. So whenever we do aggressive traders, what were they doing, whenever they take entry at this point, now they got a false entry and now the market is moving down. So we are waiting for the entry over the setup high. So still we don't have a opportunity, but we are waiting until this low is not broken. So this setup is valid. If the low is broken, the setup is invalid, and we check that the previous trend should be down. So it is already satisfying. The previous trend is in down, and today it forms that this pattern is forms at the lowest level of the market, where there is a possible reversal is high, and the stop loss for the trade is little bit higher. But even whenever it breaks above that level, sure it will give you profit. So that is in V sale, and second one is Bharat Forge Jindal Steel. We'll go for a Bharat Forge. That is also forms. The candle high and low is around 70 points. Whenever it broken that level, we will go for. But if you are taking an entry at this point, doesn't negative. Okay, so when if your risk reward ratio suitable, so you can try to take on the trade, right? And our Jindal Ultratech Cement. So both are forming the lowest level. Jindal Steel it's down from 440 and it is coming towards the level of somewhere around 360. There is a candlesticks pattern. Could you able to see that? Where around here, ceramic candle. So when it is broken that high, we'll focus for a bullish review, right? And finally, Ultratech Cement. Again here, still it is not broken that high. So we will find out the pattern whenever we got opportunity. We are going to trade on that. So that is what important where we are following that kind of bullish and bearish RME. Previously you got a regular one or two candles. For example, in the starting of the month, we find out that is what this is one happened this month, 5th August, that is GoForge. Let's take GoForge on 5th August. The candlesticks pattern, which is the forms. I think on one live video we are discussing about this trade, and whenever it broke above the level, we have taken a trade. So that was working great. So this candle we have the opportunity when it is broken. 2 days it gives you a loss, and after that it is slightly recovering. And what we have done, so instead of taking a future, we did some option strategies or edging strategies at this point. So we got such a great profit where even market is moving down, but it is not triggering our stop loss, and the market is moving down. So we have such a great opportunity using edging strategies that we are teaching on our paid lessons. Okay. If anyone want to learn my strategies, you come with that and you can learn. Okay, and then so now the code is ready, and sorry, we have backed it up. Got bearish RME, getting a bullish RME. We added only one thing, the low of 1 day ago greater than or equals, is equals to monthly low. Low of, got it? The same result started here, and the previous candle should be red, right? So that we create another code. So the close of 1 day ago less than open of 1 day ago. This will give you the red in candle. So if there is no changes in that, so we will exactly filter out the conditions. So this is for a positional trade. We will save the scan as bullish RME daily. We saved it out right now. And 15 minutes, we'll go for a 15 minutes minus 1 15 minutes. That's what previous candle again 15 minutes. So this one we are creating for a 15 minutes to find out the intraday trade opportunities. Minus 1 candle here 15 minutes, here 15 minutes of minus 1, as it is exactly changed, and 15 minutes and 15 minutes of minus 1, and here 15 minutes candle Again here 15 minutes candle, close is greater than the open, and this is what minus 1 15 minutes, and we are going to focus minus 1 candle and the low equal to latest low, right? So let's run the scan. Any stocks we find out for intraday. So today we find out one stock, that is 26th August today, VEDL, which forms around 11:50. Let's check it out whether the stock is forming such a kind of pattern. VEDL on 15 minutes time frame. Let's take it out. On this is daily time frame. Go for a 15 minutes time frame. Where it is? Here. Can you able to see that? 11:15. Exactly the 11:15 we find out a candlestick pattern, that is VEDL forms bullish Arami. So what is the risk reward ratio for this kind of candlestick pattern? So we find out the risk 83 and 86 to 86.2 and 283.4, almost 3.5 rupees. 3.2 is the risk and market moves towards 289.85. so this is not given your target, but this gives you profit. Till it is not giving you 1:1 risk reward ratio, but it was giving you such a great profit. Okay, so this is the one we are going to make scanner, that is what a Harami candle we will save us. This is what 15 minutes intraday. Summate it out. Done. So another pattern, so which is present on this, let's go for, I'll tell you that. So Harami, bullish Harami cross is nothing but simply the next candle should be doji. Could you able to see that? Yeah, this is what a bullish Harami cross. Previous candle should be red, and the next candle, that is what the candlestick where it is forms a doji followed by the big candle. So that is called bearish Harami cross or bullish Harami cross. Do you know that? So what is the difference between that? So the next candle should be with the real body, so that is called Harami, and the next candle which is having the doji, that is Harami cross. Nothing but. So let's create the same Harami cross at this bearish Harami daily. We will go for a Harami cross, that is bullish Harami. We already created the code for a Harami, bullish Harami daily. Now we are going to create the Harami cross. So what we simply add one conditions, right? So the latest close equal to latest open. Simple. So we change this one, that will tell you where the Harami cross is formed. And you check that there is a 26th March, we find out Motherson Sumi. So idea is a very less value stocks, we ignore that. So Motherson Sumi, which is forms 26/3/2021. Let's go for Motherson Sumi. Let's find out whether the candlesticks forms 26/3. So third month, March. Go for a March daily. By March. Can you see 26th March? Okay, 21. They are moved more. 21 March. Here somewhere. February, March. I think this one. Sorry. This bullish Harami. So we are filtering out the condition by where it forms at the lowest level, monthly low. So previous monthly low on February monthly low is there. This is March. March low is there. So not a new low, 9th March. And Harami cross. Can you find it? 26/3/2021. We find out Harami cross. Could you see that? This is exactly the Harami cross where the market was up. So we can use this for a swing trading. That is what buy at low, sell at high. And even where we can use this one for a equity trade also. That was forms at the bottom. That gives you such a great opportunity. Right? So we will scale this scan as bullish Arami. So whenever it comes to bullish Arami, so it will tell us where there is bullish Arami, where it is forms, right? So I hope this may be useful, right? So let's save the scan as bullish Arami cross. Okay, so we'll submit our done. So again we change it out by 15 minutes time. So this is minus 1 15 minutes, again 15 minutes minus 1, and 15 minutes 15 minutes minus 1 candle, and 15 minutes here, 15 minutes minus 1 candle, 10 minutes equal to latest 10 minutes, that's not latest 15 minutes equals to latest test minus 15 1 minus 15 minutes candle equal to latest low. What it means, the close equal to open 15 minutes open, right? That is what this function will call it as a doji candle. So let's run the scan. If any stocks we find out, I think we made a mistake somewhere. 15 minutes high less than minus 15 minutes open, 15 minutes low greater than, so this still this is right. 15 minutes close equal to 15 minutes low open, 15 minutes open equal to 15 minutes close, 15 minutes low equal to latest low. Where we cannot find where we made a mistake, let's go back again. This Arami crossed for daily, and latest closed equal to latest open, and one day go 15 minutes minus 15 minutes equal to latest low. Here latest high plus 15 of minus 1, it's minus 1. Oh, right, 10 minutes minus 1 candle, so that should be a red candle. The second one 15 minutes, everything okay. This is latest 15 minutes close equal to 10 minutes open. Think latest low, the scan didn't find any Arami cross recently in a 1 week, 2 months. Let's check whether the system is working or not. Think something issue on that, we'll check it out back. So now you understand, and let's check with the bullish Arami cross daily whether it is working right or wrong. That was working great, so we already back tested. So let update you the 15 minutes time on that is also high less than day go open, less or low greater than 1 day go close. Let us equal to let us to open. Everything right. So this is the system. Okay, so I'm not able to find out that because the time is going up. So this one Arami, bullish Arami cross and bullish Arami, so both candle that will work here and on our positional basis, right? Let us look, let us do 15 minutes, let us, so everything we done right. Okay, do it again. So let's off this. So 15 minutes low equal to minus 15 minutes, 15 minutes minus 15, the latest close equal to latest open, that is 15 minutes close equal to 15 minutes open, and 15 minutes of minus 1 candle, its latest low, daily low, right, equal to latest low. Let's follow that. I think we don't get that Arami cross. In 15 minutes we didn't get that Arami. we didn't get, so that code is right. Or we will check it later, but a bullish Arami cross. So bullish Arami and bullish Arami cross. That will give you such a great result on our swing trades. Okay, I hope this may be a useful video, and keep subscribing my channel and support us, share to your friends and comment on this video if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.